Internet use is growing year to year, and as more and more people have access, more and more companies are recognizing the importance of integrating some form of e-commerce as a part of their marketing portfolio. The internet never goes offline, and sites are accessible every hour of the day. There are no opening and closing times on the internet. For the average working person, the ability to be able to do their shopping in the comfort of their own home is welcome and is becoming a very popular method of purchasing goods. Even for the customers who still prefer the reality of a regular store, the internet provides a way of researching what they want and to compare different prices from different places, and to gain a prior knowledge about what they want. Another advantage of the internet is its worldwide reach. Retailers no longer have to have stores in many different locations to become a national brand. By selling through the internet, they can get their products seen by thousands more people. However, it's not as simple as setting up online and customers automatically flocking to their site. A lot of hard work needs to go into promoting their online store, in the exact same way it is for a standard store. This is where you come in. You now have the ability to be that outlet. As you may or may not know, I have made thousands of dollars with my online stores. But this did not come easy. I spent many hours developing and creating just to get to the level that I wish to be. This is not a problem anymore. I am excited to tell you about a new program that was launched that cuts many hours that you need to spend to be successful. No kidding. This program is the best. Don't take my word for it, see it for yourself. If you already have an e-commerce store, you will quickly notice the benefits. This program takes site design as a primary focus in online shopping. If your site looks dated or relies on inferior site design methodology, it may be the reason your sales have not grown. Perhaps existing customers are used to the site, but what about new prospects? What impression do they have of your site? What would compel them to come back? Please don't miss this opportunity. It's limited. You can find more information on our website, www.turkeytail.com.